Today we are making wonderful airy cheese muffins without sugar. The recipe is simple and easy, so it works for everyone. You can use different types of cheese, and each one will give a completely new flavor. Look at how porous the batter is. There is a lot of cheese inside, and you can see how delicate and tender the texture is. Take 3 eggs and add all the ingredients directly into the blender. Pour in 200 milliliters of milk at room temperature. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Because the batter is prepared very quickly. Add 80 grams of rice flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt. I prepared 160 grams of cream cheese. Use any cream cheese you have. Add 150 milliliters of vegetable oil. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar if desired. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Turn on the blender and blend all the ingredients together. The batter is ready. Now grease the muffin molds with vegetable oil. I used 2 trays with 6 molds each, and now we'll see how many muffins this batter makes. Fill the molds to the top. The batter will not overflow during baking. From this amount of batter, I got 11 muffins. Place the muffins into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 428 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Adjust the baking time according to your oven. Look how beautifully they rose by the 12th minute. The cracks have already formed. After 20 minutes of baking, the muffins opened up even more, turned golden, and developed deep cracks. The muffins are completely ready. Let them cool slightly. They settled a bit, and I removed them from the molds using a knife. Golden cheese muffins feel almost weightless in your hands, light and tender with appetizing cracks on the golden crust. On the outside, a crispy crust. On the inside, a soft, delicate texture with melted cheese. The muffins rose well, look homemade, and are very aromatic. Since we didn't add sugar, these sugar-free muffins can be served as savory baked goods, instead of bread with soups and salads, or with cheese, vegetables, eggs, or sauces. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye-bye!